Welcome. Today I will tell you about how to make NFT art. Here are the main topics we will talk about in the video. What is an NFT? Choose a platform to sell your NFT. Set up a wallet. Connect your wallet. Create an NFT. Let's get started. In this video, you will learn how to make NFT art. It's a complete helpline for you as it will give you everything you need to know about NFT art and how you can make it. It will teach you all about what an NFT is and the other details like the platform and wallet. So keep watching to know all. What is an NFT? Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital tokens that are kept on the blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies where each coin is identical, each NFT is one of a kind and can be sold to verify ownership of a digital file. Your first NFT should almost certainly be an image, video, or audio clip. Other things might get a bit confusing, so it's better to stick to the basics in the beginning. Choose a platform to sell your NFT. There are many platforms that allow you to sell your NFTs across a wide variety of blockchains, but the two most popular are OpenSea and Rarible, using what they call lazy minting technologies. Both of these sites allow you to create NFTs on Ethereum without paying anything. Set up a wallet. Wallets are the programs that you use to store your cryptocurrencies, as well as any NFTs you create or purchase. The MetaMask wallet is one of the wallets extensively supported by Ethereum-based services like OpenSea, Foundation, and others, and may be used as a Chrome or Firefox extension or an iOS or Android app. Coinbase also offers its own wallet, which is available as an extension or as an app for most platforms. After installing the app or adding the extension, you just have to click on the Create New Wallet button. You will be asked to select a username and password. After that, you are good to go. Connect your wallet. After you've created your wallet, you'll need to link it to the NFT marketplace you intend to use. OpenSea and Rarible make it simple by prompting you to connect your wallet when you click the Create button in the top left. After that, you'll be given a selection of suitable wallets to choose from, and selecting one will ask you to complete the connection procedure. Create an NFT. You'll be taken to the page where you may create an NFT after you've connected your wallet. Like I said earlier, NFTs are digital art, so put your creativity to the test and come up with something that people will be really willing to buy. You'll be taken to the Create New Item page after hitting the Create button. To begin, click the Picture button in the box that appears, which will allow you to upload the file you'll be selling as an NFT. Give your file a name or title after you've added it. You can also include a URL to your website or Twitter account in the external link section. And you can use the description field to give potential purchasers a better understanding of what your NFT is. I have given you the right kind of information about NFTs, the right platform, crypto wallets, and how you can create your own NFT. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.